Hello students, let us solve a problem from NEET UG Paper 2021. Here is the problem. The problem states that in a potentiometer circuit, a cell of EMF 1.5 volt gives a balance point at 36 centimeter length of wire. If another cell of EMF 2.5 replaces the first cell, then at what length of the wire the balance point occurs? So this is the question. Let us understand the question from diagram. So this diagram you might be familiar with. So this is the potentiometer wire, and there are two cells E1 and E2 suppose, and in this case E1 is given as 1.5 volt, E2 is given as 2.5 volts, and when E1 is connected to the potentiometer, then the galvanometer gives null condition at the length L1, which is given as 36 centimeter. Now the problem says if the cell E1 is replaced by E2, and if the length at which the null condition is obtained in the galvanometer is L2, then you have to find out what is the value of this L2. So this is the question. So in this case you have to remember that the EMF of the cell is directly proportional to the length of the wire of the potentiometer where the null condition occurs. So in this case what we can write? We can write E1 by E2 is equal to L1 by L2, and let us solve for L2. So L2 is equal to L1 into E2 by E1. And now if we put the value of E1, E2 and L1 and solve for L2, we will see that we get L2 is equal to 60 centimeter. And this is the answer for this question. Hence, the correct option here is the first one. Thank you.